Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off smart suggestions for Samsung keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Then go down and tap on Smart Suggestions. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Make sure Smart Suggestions is switched on. Then we can go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to turn off Smart Suggestions for the keyboard, or you can switch it on. Turning this off on the Samsung keyboard does not affect other apps such as calendar, reminder, or messages. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.